So this is workbook page 35, number 16, you guys. It was just another example that we did, and I just wanted to put it up there so you could look at it. I picked my anchor equation as x minus 2y minus 5z equals 13 because the x has a 1 in front of it, so that's how I picked my anchor equation. And then I put the top equation over here. I put the bottom equation over here. Again, I picked that anchor equation because x has a coefficient of 1. Then what I did is I multiplied.
Can I say hi?
Then I multiplied the top equation by 2. So I multiplied my anchor equation by 2. So that made the x's the same. Okay. Then I did 2 minus 2 is 0. Negative 4 minus negative 4 is 0. Negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13. And because all the other variables disappeared, I just went ahead and I solved for z. Now on this side, in order to make the x's the same, I multiplied the anchor equation by 5. And I wrote it, I got 5x minus 10y minus 25z equals 65. And again, I subtracted. Because the 5's have the same sign, I subtracted. 5 minus 5 is 0. Negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13. Negative 25 minus negative 2 is negative 23z. 65 minus 19 is 46. Since I already have z solved, I plugged it back into this equation right here, and I solved for y. Now that I have z and y, I'm going to take those and I'm going to plug it into one of the equations. I'm going to plug it back into the anchor equation because x is 1. So I'm going to do x minus 2 times y, which is 0, minus 5 times negative 2 equals 13. And I picked this again because x is 1. So x minus 0, negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10 equals 13. So, and I meant,
Miss, I passed my quiz, right?
yes.
I passed mine too, right? What? No.
Okay, so x plus 10 equals 13. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. I get x equals 3. When you go to write this as an ordered pair, x always goes first, then y, then z. Make sure you check it within the other equations, okay? So you always want to make sure you take them and plug them back into both of those equations to make sure it's true. Again, this is problem 16 on page 35.